Sanjay and Richa's marriage took place in 1987. About a year and a half after marriage, it was revealed that Richa has brain tumor. Richa's treatment was going on in America and Sanjay was busy shooting for his films. Sanjay and Madhuri Dixit were working together in the 90s. At that time rumor is going on about Sanjay and Madhuri. When Richa heard the rumors, he left her treatment in the middle and came to Mumbai. When Richa came back to Mumbai, Sanju did not give Richa any attention at all. He did not even go to airport to receive his sick wife and daughter Trishala. In Yasir Usman's book, The Crazy Untold Story of Bollywood Bad Boy Sanjay Dutt, he mentions that Richa had told in an interview that everything between Sanjay and me is fine. I have full faith in Sanjay. I asked Sanjay if you are going to divorce me. Sanjay did not answer. I said I do not want divorce, I want to be with you. It is another matter she left Mumbai to New York just after a few days.